going to start exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4, let us see here. So the first differentiation of the, here two things you have to remember. D by dx of e power x is equals to e power x. D by dx of log x. Here log x is nothing but to the base e. Log base e to be taken into consider. Okay. So this log x is equals to 1 by x you are going to get. So these two things you try to remember here. This will be, the first one is useful for the exercise for 5.4 and second one is useful for the exercise 5.5. Okay. So very lengthy problems can be solved using the logarithmic functions in easiest way. Very lengthy problem. So now here let us see the first problem here. All the problems I will not explain to you. Okay. Now here if you see that the first problem is given as, first you consider let y is equals to e power x by sin x. Y is equals to e power x by sin x. Now what you have to find out? Dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x is the question. So dy by dx we need to find out. So dy by dx is equals to d by dx of e power x by sin x. So it is in the form of u by v. Okay. So this is equals to d by dx of u by v is equals to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Dash is nothing but differentiation. So this you try to remember here. U by v, you can, if you can consider u by v whole dash is also, this also you can write. So that means the first sin x you are going to get, and d by dx of e power x minus e power x into d by dx of sin x by sin x whole square, which is equal to e power x differentiation is e power x. So e power x into sin x minus sin x differentiation is cos x, e power x into cos x by sin square x. So this is equals to, you can take the e power x common, then you are going to get here sin x minus cos x by sin square x. So this is the differentiation of the given function, e power x by sin x. So the remaining all the problems also you can do it in a similar way. So where the fourth problem is little bit different problems let us discuss instead of going all the problems. Okay. Is it okay, this one? Can you hear me properly? Can you hear?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next. The next thing is that fourth problem, let us see here. The fourth is little bit different. So the given function you consider that y. So let y is equal to sin of tan inverse e power minus x. So dy by dx is nothing but here d by dx of sin of tan inverse e power minus x. This completely you consider as a x. So sin x differentiation is cos x. So cos tan inverse e power minus x. And again d by dx of tan inverse e power minus x. Inverse trigonometric functions differentiation already you know that. What is d by dx of tan inverse x? D by dx of differentiation of tan inverse x. Inverse trigonometric functions. Can you hear me? Mrinmay is saying but not audible to me.
1 by root over 1 minus
No, not root. Tan inverse, not root.
1 by 1 plus x square.
Yes, 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by root over 1 plus 1 by root over 1 minus x square will be there. For what? Sin inverse. Okay. all these you have to, it should be on your tip of the tongue. Differentiation of the all the trigonometric functions, differentiation and inverse trigonometric also. So now here this is tan inverse. Here this one you consider as a x. So tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So which is equals to cos of tan inverse e power minus x 1 by 1 plus x place में e power minus x is there, e power minus x whole square. So now again you have to do the differentiation of the e power minus x. Again differentiation of e power minus x. So what do you get here? Cos of tan inverse e power minus x by, here I am writing this one, 1 by e power minus 2x. And the differentiation of the e power minus x is e power minus x. E power minus x, and again you have to do the differentiation of the minus x. So here if you are taking into consider this one, differentiation of the minus x is minus. So that minus I am writing first, here is minus. Okay. Next e power minus x, here I am writing into cos of tan inverse e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. So this is the final answer for the fourth problem. Here the simplification may be different way simplification you may have. When you are simplifying it, you may get different answers. If you see in your textbook answer, if you want to get exactly, then small modifications you may need to do. So both are same only. The final answer is the same thing you are going to get. If you want to simplify it for more, then you can simplify it. Okay. Or if it is the final answer, if you want to keep it like this, you can keep it. This is the fourth question. Okay. So next, the different problems let us discuss here. Fifth question, log of cost. Logarithm is there. So let us see the logarithm wala problem देखते हैं. Excuse me. Fifth one. So here the question is given the logarithm of cos e power x. Logarithm of cos e power x. Okay. dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of logarithm of cos e power x. This completely you consider as a x. So log x different. Here log is nothing but log to the base e. Do remember that. Log is nothing but log to the base e only. In this is true here, but usually log to the base e will be written as ln x. In your physics and chemistry, if you see that the representation will be to the base e will be given to you ln x, or in another book if you see that. Okay, and to the base 10 will be mentioned. Okay, this is equals to, what is the differentiation of the logarithm of x to the base 10? You try for that also. What do you get? Think about it. Okay. So we'll discuss. I'll explain to you later, but you think about it. So now here, what do you get here? Log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by cos e power x. And d by dx of cos e power x. Cos differentiation is minus sin x. So which is equals to minus sin of e power x by cos e power x. Again differentiation of the e power x. So what do you get here from this? E power x differentiation e power x into sin e power x by cos e power x. Sin e power x by cos e power x can be written as tan e power x. So this is the final answer for that. Okay. Did you understand here? Next, sixth problem, if you see that e power x square, e power x to the power of 5 is given to you. Sixth one. So here the question is given to you d by dx. So that's why e power x square plus and so on till the e power x to the power of 5. So 5 is nothing but you can write all e power x cube e power x power 4, e power x power 5. Do you remember that? So dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of e power x plus d by dx of e power x square plus d by dx of e power x cube plus d by dx of e power x power 4 plus d by dx of e power x power 5. So e power x differentiation is e power x. This x square you consider as a x. So as it is, you will get e power x square. But x square differentiation you need to do, that is 2x plus e power x cube. X cube differentiation you need to do, that is equals to 3x square you will get. Plus e power x power 4. And x power 4 differentiation you have to do, that is 4x cube. E power x power 5. X power 5 differentiation, 5x power 4. This you write in a simplest form. Simplest form is nothing but e power x, 2x e power x square, 3x square e power x cube, 4x cube e power x power 4, 5x power 4 e power x power 5. This is the final answer. All the problems are, you can do it. It's not very difficult for you to do. Okay. So now the seventh problem is e power root x is given here. Y is equals to e power root of e power root x. Okay. Root of e power root x is given. So root x differentiation is equals to 1 by 2 root x. The first 2 root x you have to substitute here. Problem number 7. See here. Y is equals to under root of e power root x. So here if you are to dy by dx is nothing but, you can do in two different methods here. This one. Here itself taking a square on both sides 2y. 2y like that. 2y is equals to e power root x. Or you can root x differentiation one. The differentiation of the root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root x. This is root x. So e power root x into differentiation of the e power root x. And differentiation of the root x, again 1 by 2 root x. That's all. In a one step you are giving e power root x by 2 into 2, 4. 4 root x into root power e power root x. If you are simplifying this root power, this can be written as root into root e power root x. This and this will get cancelled. Or you are going to get 1 by 4 into under root of e power root x by x also you can write as the answer. Did you understand? Any doubt is there in this?
No, sir, I understood.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, log of log x. So, eighth problem, if you see that, it is also very simple. Y is equals to, you consider log of log x. This complete log x you consider as a x. So, differentiation of the log x dy by dx whenever you take into consider, ये x है. So, ये something मान लो. ये log x को something. So, log of something is nothing but 1 by something. So, that means 1 by log x we are going to do. Again, log x differentiation you need to do. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So that's why the final answer is 1 by x log x. Simple question. They are not difficult here. 5.5 whenever you take it to consider, that little bit lengthy problem. Okay. And in the remaining 9th problem you can do, 10th problem also you can do. Let us move to the 5.5 exercise. Can we? Or do you have any doubt in this exercise? 9th and 10th problems you can do it. You may think that sir is explaining a very small problems and big problems are leaving. Not like that. You can do it. Okay, if you want 9th problem, let us see here. Cos x by log x. That also you can do it. It's not a difficult. But what is the problem here? It is given in the cos x by log x. Cos x by log x. D by dx of cos x by log x you need to find out. U by v method. First log x into d by dx of cos x minus cos x d by dx of log x divided by log x whole square. Okay. So now what do you get here? Cos x differentiation is differentiation of cos x. Santan. Satyakam. Differentiation of cos x. Satyakam. Abhishek. Let me ask
minus
the
sin
question.
x.
Very good, very good. Whether you are present or not, I am not able to understand. That is only the doubt. Better you keep on switch on your cameras on. Otherwise, I am not able to confirm that you people are present. So, Santa Mohanta is here.
Sir, actually, it consumes data much than the.
When you switch on the camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just give the answer to my
Really,
question.
really English class नहीं कर पाऊंगी sir.
For what?
अगर मैं अभी कैमरा ऑन करूंगी क्योंकि मेरा 70% ऑलरेडी खत्म हो गया है.
Okay. It's okay. No, it's not a problem. Huh? Okay, but you try to give the answer to at least to me.
Yes
Whenever
sir,
I ask the question.
I am trying but you are not able to hear, I think so.
Yes, maybe sometimes this problem may occur. Sometimes. Okay. This problem here is whenever you see that minus sin x into log x minus cos x by x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x by log x whole square. This x better you write here minus x sin x log x minus cos x by that write this x here. That's all. Simple. As they are the very simple problems, then I left you. Okay. So even if you take the 10th problem also, cost is there. First to find you how to do, and in the brackets whatever it is given to you, that you have to solve it. Okay. It's not a very difficult problem to you. So let us go for the 5.5 exercise. Exercise, let us see here. In this, the first problem you can solve it, second answer. You see here, these problems are very lengthy. But it is very simple, not very difficult here. So let us consider this as the given function, you consider it as a y. Y is equals to, it is given to you x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So whenever the given function is having a product of or quotient of the more functions, more than two functions as a product. Suppose two functions product whenever you are having, product of two functions you are having, UV method you can apply. U by V method you can apply when you are having the quotient of the two functions. But more than two functions means here x minus 1 is one function, x minus 2 is another function, x minus 3 is another function, x minus 4 is another function, x minus 5. In the numerator, two functions are product, and in the denominator, three functions are product. Like this complicated more number of the functions are having in the form of the product, then in that case, you need to take the logarithm on both sides. Logarithm is nothing but logarithm to the base e. Logarithm to the base e only, but we will not mention that. So logarithm, you have to take on both sides. So taking logarithm on both sides, to make it very simple. See here, the problem becomes very easy. Otherwise, when you try to solve this problem normally, this can be written as root x. Root x, you see here, and just I will explain to you, 1 by 2 root of this one, barabar. Okay, again differentiation of this one. So what do you get here? In the numerator, x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into d by dx of the product, x minus 1 into x minus 2. Minus product of x minus 1 into x minus 2. Again d by dx of the denominator x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 4 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 whole square. See here, that gives you the answer, but it's very complicated one you are going to get. So to make it in a simple, easiest way, so better you take the logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. So here what you are going to get? Log y is equals to logarithm of under root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So this under root is nothing but, can you write it as a to the power of 1 by 2? No? Under root can be written as to the power of 1 by 2. And yesterday in the properties of logarithm we have learned x to the power of n. Logarithm of x to the power of n can be written as n into logarithm of x. Logarithm of x to the power of n. So that means this will cut here. So log y is equal to 1 by 2 of logarithm of, so three properties here with x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Now this one it is in the form of log x by y. So log x by y is equals to log x minus log y. And log x into y is equals to log x plus log y. Properties of logarithms yesterday we have learned. So using that properties, log xy is equals to log x plus log y, log x by y is equals to, now here this is x, this is by y. So that can be written as log y is equals to 1 by 2 of logarithm of x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus logarithm of x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Now this one again here in this form, log xy. So sum can be, you can write it as in the form of the sum. Log y is equals to 1 by 2 of logarithm of x minus 1 plus logarithm of x minus 2. Here most of the students will do the mistake. Minus half we have, because brackets, in the brackets you need to write. So what you will get actually, log of x minus 3, here plus most of the students will write. But not usually here in the brackets, inside the brackets, whenever you write it, you are going to get the plus. Here minus you will get. So we have simplified. See what we made, product form, we made it into the sum form, sum and difference form. So now here differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So here if you are differentiating this one with respect to x, it is going to get it as a 1 by y. And again by differentiate you have to. So that we are going to get dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 is as it is, you can write. So logarithm of x minus 1 is equals to 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. We are not supposed to leave. We need to find out dy by dx. So take this y to the right side. So we are going to get dy by dx is equals to y by 2. So y is what you have taken, that you have to write. So 1 by 2 into y you are going to get. In the place of the y I am writing here again x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 in the bracket 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. This is the final answer. Did you understand here? Problem see here, nothing is there. दिखने में तो बड़ा problem दिख रहा है, but it is very simple here. Easily you can do it. If you are simplifying this one, see here it is your duty. In most of the times, every time I used to say to you that you have to do the experiments in math. Experiment is nothing but you are not audible. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir, audible.
So here, what experiment I said? This one only, without using the logarithms, you try to simplify. It takes more time to you, but you are going to learn a lot if you are doing that. And simplification, that you have to simplify. उसको simplify करना है, in the denominator you are going to get x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. And here you are going to get the product of this one. Here you are going to get, except this one, the remaining product. It is very lengthy you are going to get. But on simplifying this one and that one, both the same answers you are getting or not, you need to verify. Like that, if you are doing some experiments according to the situation, then you are going to learn a math really a lot. Okay, so next you can do in the similar way all the problems you can do it. Let us go for the fourth problem here, x power x minus 2 power sin x. This problem, whenever you take into consider, so already it is given to you two functions different, but each function is containing the power. So whenever you are having in the power also one more function. See here, whenever you take the second one, here in this fourth question, if you observe properly, here, in the fourth question, the question is given to you x power x minus 2 power sin x. See here, in the power also you are having one more function. In this type of the situation also you have. So first you split this one. So let u is equals to x power x, v is equals to 2 power sin x individually. Here. So first problem, just like two problems you take into consider. First part u is equals to x power x. This is differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So directly, if you are trying to differentiate, you are not get here. So what to do here? Take logarithm on both sides, because power may, you will get it. If you are trying for that, take logarithm on both sides. So what do you get here? Log u is equals to log x power x. So this can be written as log u is equals to x into log x. So now you differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay. So now what do you get here? 1 by u du by dx is equals to, here it is in the form of the u into v. So x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. So what do you get here? Du by dx is equals to u into x by x. X into 1 by x plus log x. So what do you get here? 1 plus log x. U value, what is du by dx is equals to, what is u x power x. So replace u by the x power x and x power x into 1 plus log x. So this one you have completed. The second one you consider v. V is equals to 2 power sin x. Then after individually दोनों को difference find out करो, the required differentiation you are going to get, isn't it? So we here taking logarithm on both sides, here also taking logarithm on both sides. So what do you get here? Log v is equals to sin x into log 2. Here if you see that logarithm of 2, sin x into logarithm of 2. Here log 2 is what here? It is a constant. Logarithm of 2 is a constant. So here whenever you consider this one as a constant, directly you can take, no need of taking as a product of the two functions here in this case. No need of taking as a product of the two functions. Directly you can find out the difference. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So what do you get here? 1 by v dv by dx is equals to, logarithm of 2 is a constant. only you have to do the sign differentiation. UV method no need of, because it is not a product of the two different functions. So dv by dx is equals to d into sin x differentiation is cos x. So cos x into log 2, and v value you substitute whatever it is, 2 power sin x into cos x into log x. दोनों को डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. Therefore at last you have to write from 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. d by dx of the required question you need to write here. Most of the students I found in answer sheets in the previous papers, they used to complete this and this and they name it. No, the question is asking to you to find out this one. So differentiation of that you have to do. So individually whenever you take the differentiation of the first part is this one. So this one x power x into 1 plus log x you write. X power x into 1 plus log x minus this one 2 into sin power 2 power sin x into cos x into log x. This is the final answer. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? In the same way, fifth problem also lengthy hai. Problems are very lengthy, but it is not very difficult. You can try the problem, and even sixth problem whenever you take it, sixth one also in this like this only. But in that sixth problem whenever you take, yes, you can do it. It is not very difficult. Will you try this problem? Sixth one you try, and different problems let me take and explain. Seventh also you can do it. It's not very difficult. Eighth one sin power x sin inverse of root x. Very simple problem. This is not lengthy also. Ninth problem is examination point of view, very important when you see that. This more number of times the question is asked to you. This question. Ninth one. See. The problems whatever I am leaving, you have to do it compulsorily. And if you have any doubt, you post me in a Google Classroom so that I will explain to you in the next class. Whatever that, or ask me in the next class directly. Okay. So the question is given x power sin x plus sin x to the power of cos x. X power sin x cos x to the power of sin x. Sorry, sin x to the power of sin x to the power of cos x. This is the question. Same model. There is no change. Let u is equals to x power sin x. V is equals to sin x to the power of cos x. If you are doing this one, first part. U is equals to x power sin x. Taking logarithm on both sides. Log u is equals to log x to the power of sin x. Sin x comes this side. So sin x into log x. So logarithm of u. Differentiating with respect to, here I am not writing that step. Differentiating with respect to 1 by u du by dx is equals to sin x into differentiation of cos x. Log x is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of the sin x. Differentiation of the sin x is equals to cos x. Okay. So now what do you get here? Du by dx is equals to u. U is equals to x power sin x into sin x by x plus logarithm of cos x. Keep it like this. In the same way, v for second part you do it. Second one, what you will get here? E is equals to sin x to the power of cos x. So log whenever you take cos x into logarithm of sin x. Here logarithm contains another function. So differentiating with respect to x 1 by v dv by dx. 1 by v dv by dx is equals to cos x into differentiation of the log x. So 1 by sin x. But sin x differentiation again you need to do. That is cos x. Plus logarithm of sin x into differentiation of the cos x. That is minus sin x. So simplify it. You can write the cos x into cot x. This can be written as cos x into cos x. Cos by sin x, cos. Or you can simplify in another way also. Minus sin x into logarithm of sin x. So here this is 1 by v into dv by dx. So we are going to get here dv by dx is equals to v. V is nothing but here sin x whole to the power of cos x. Sin x whole to the power of cos x into cos x cot x minus sin x into logarithm of sin x. And it is not final answer. दोनों को sum है. So this one plus this one will be the final answer. Okay? Did you understand? And in this 9 to 10 to x power cos x, one is left. Okay. X power cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. This is also in the similar way. You try the problems, and whatever the problems you are having the doubts, that you ask me in the next class. 11th problem is very lengthy. Length is more, but not very difficult. Okay? Problem length is more, but not very difficult. Length is more, by seeing that you don't get confused with that. And whatever the problems you are getting a doubt, you complete it today itself. Today itself you complete and post, ask me the doubts in the next class. Okay? Today it is enough. The remaining problems you try, and we'll discuss the remaining problems. In the 9th 10th problems completed. And do you have any doubts? Most of the members left the class, right? Data completed.
No, sir.
Anurag, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
So what about